and welcome to Operation Steel Rain. This is UK-France turn 2, and let's begin. So with the British turn, we'll be rolling our 2 tech rolls on anti-sub warfare and long-range aircraft. So anti-sub warfare, let's see what we get. Just missed, unfortunate. And long-range aircraft, also missed. That's unfortunate. Alright, now on to purchases. I forgot to do ANZAC and FEC. Alright, so the British Empire will be buying 2 militia upgrades, 3 militia, and finishing their light carrier for all 14. The FEC will be starting a fortification around Calcutta, spending all 5. And ANZAC, well, ANZAC too. ANZAC will buy... No, yeah, ANZAC will upgrade its factory, which is, I believe it's 6. Yeah, it is 6 to upgrade its factory. So I don't know how the factory itself works right now, but I'm not placing anything, so it should be fine. I'm aiming for a major factory. So, yeah, that should be it. It's just going to be a little under construction thing. Let's get a marker under there, just to show that it's being upgraded. Anyways, movement. Let's see. Oh, this, what we do. Their transport is going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to Gibraltar. Yeah, all the ships can stay where they are in that area. Here, the infantry is moving to Lower Egypt, to the 5th and 4th fleets. The 5th fleet is going to join the 4th fleet. Sorry about that. So yeah, I suppose combine it all into the 4th. This light carrier is going to move 1 with the tactical bomber to 3 to A44. You know, actually, keep the 2 fleets separate, but we are going to shift around who is in which fleet. Let's see, in the 4th fleet, yeah, destroyer and light cruiser will be with the light carrier, while the battleship stays along with the heavy cruiser. Meanwhile, the 4th fleet consists of a light carrier, a light cruiser, and a destroyer. You know what? That's a TBD. Those are the 2 TBDs. Alright. You're going to pull these 2 destroyers off of escort duty and have them join the 4th fleet. All of these ships, yes, we have transports. Yeah, pull the 2 TBDs off of escort duty. Actually, no, leave them where they... We're gonna have this TBD move its escort duty to this C zone, while this guy moves 1, 2 to this C zone. And you know, we'll throw 2 destroyers on there as well. of course you're like that. No, we'll shift it just a little more. This DVD just moves down 1 there. This DVD moves 1, 2 there. That destroyer goes there. This destroyer goes here. Who's in the first fleet? We have a few things. I'm going to pull the destroyer sub out for future purposes. This sub is going to move 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll move 1, 2, 3 there. This destroyer will have joined this one on escort duty. If we look over here, what do we have to move? Not much. Yeah, light cruiser and Anzac destroyer are going to move 1, 2, 3 to C zone I-4. That's interesting. That's very interesting. That coastal sub will move 1 there. This transport will pick up the motorized infantry. And yeah, we'll have to do a strategic naval move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chopping off the motorized infantry and going into port. This transport will have a move 1, 2, 3 to this sea zone, joining this Anzac mini fleet. Other movement, yeah. Not that I can think of at the moment. Ah, this seaplane. It's on map over here. Yeah, we'll pull it off of map and have it move down to Gibraltar. These two transports, they can reach it. Yeah, we'll have them move down to the 4th Fleet. And yeah, let's place our stuff. So the fortification's under construction. The factory upgrade is under construction. Actually, hold on. No. Copy that. So just throw it there. Now all of this stuff. Actually, one more movement that I forgot to do. This fighter is moving out into the 1st Fleet. So militia and militia upgrade to Lower Egypt. Militia and militia upgrade to Gibraltar. We'll have a militia be placed in, Northern England, and the light carrier is going to join the 1st Fleet, which is where the fighter lands. With that, yeah, it's on to France. Oh wait, hold on. See, so we spent all 6, all 5, and all 14. They are collecting, let's see, 12, 5, and 3. All right. All right, now it's on to France. Tech first. We are going to be going for heavy armor. Ah, just missed. Disappointing. we're going to be spending 5 of our 7 on a fortification around Paris, leaving us with 2. We collect 7. Yeah. So that'll leave us with 9 for next turn. I'm just going to do that now. As for movement, alright, yeah. Let's see. This transport is going to pick up these 2 units, move 1, 2 into this C zone. And drop them off in Syria. The medium bomber will stay where it is. Or you know what? No, we're not going to have that happen. We're just going to have the 2 transports move to C-Zone I-5. See, these 2 subs will join the fleet in I-5. Actually, no. Yeah, the whole fleet is moving to I-4. Over here, this sub will move 1, 2, 3 to M8. Yeah, these ships, well, yeah, we'll take them all. They'll move 1, 2, 3 to A35. Medium bomber is going to move 1, 2, 3 to French Somaliland. Is that all of our ships and stuff? Yeah, that's the overseas stuff. Now then, on to the land, the mainland. Oh, that's annoying. I don't think we're going to change anything on the mainland. Yeah. Alright, so fortification we started is going to be in Paris. And with that, it is on to the Italian turn. Alright, see you next time.